I built a full 5-day email affiliate funnel in 30 seconds using a free tool, and I didn't write a single word. And yeah, it actually made sales. Let me show you exactly how it works, and I'll even read you one of the best emails it wrote for me in real time. Let's be real. Writing affiliate emails sucks. Most people either copy garbage templates, get stuck staring at a blank screen, or pay someone $100 per email. I wanted to fix that. So I built a tool that writes storytelling style email funnels for free in seconds. All I had to do was, fill in 3 simple fields. My product, as you can see here, product name and details, the email goal, and my affiliate link. Now here's what the tool gave me. And I'm going to read to you what I'm promoting here and what output the tool gave me. Product name and details. I said we were going to sell like Russell Brunson and promote the One Funnel Away Challenge, telling a personal story. I'm going to fix the spelling here. Affiliate link. I just put my site name in there. You could put whatever your affiliate link is, or insert your affiliate link after it generates the email exactly how you want it. But you got to put your affiliate link in the second box, mandatory. Email goal, to get the click, entertain, and sell. Now here's what it came up with. Subject, how I went from 0 to hero in just 30 days. Nice subject line that'll definitely get opens. Hey there, let me take you back to a rainy Thursday afternoon. I was sitting in my cramped little office, staring at my computer screen, feeling like a ship lost at sea. Bills piled high, dreams fading fast, and that gnawing feeling of, what am I doing with my life? Gnawed at my gut. Then, like a beacon in the fog, I stumbled upon something that changed everything. The One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another online course, just another get-rich-quick scheme, but hold on, this is different. Picture this, Russell Brunson, a guy who's turned the marketing world on its head, guiding you step by step through the process of creating sales funnels that actually works. I thought, what do I have to lose? So I took the plunge. I signed up and my life turned upside down in the best way possible. Fast forward 30 days, I went from a nobody to someone who could actually sell. I learned the art of storytelling, how to capture attention, and most importantly, how to convert that attention into cash. I remember the first time I saw my sales notifications pinging my phone. I was like a kid on Christmas morning. But here's the kicker. It wasn't just about the money. It was about the freedom to work from anywhere, to choose my clients, and then finally say goodbye to the daily grind. And guess what? You can do this too. The One Funnel Away Challenge is your golden ticket. It's not just a course, it's a community, a movement, and a life-changing experience. If you're tired of being stuck, if you're ready to take control of your life, then click this link and get started today. Join the One Funnel Away Challenge. And there's your affiliate link. It's going to be right there. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Let's make your story one for the ages. To your success, and your name goes here. P.S. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is a decision to take action. Click the link and let's get started. Now, if you're promoting an affiliate product like One Funnel Away, Aweber, ClickBank, whatever, you can literally use this tool right now to write a free email funnel in seconds. It's completely free. Just head on over to instantsalesfunnels.com. The link's going to be directly below, but it's at instantsalesfunnel.com. Make sure you sign up for my other 20 free tools. I got that at the top here where the arrow was. There we go right there. Click that, sign up, get them all. But this is an awesome tool that I made for affiliates from an affiliate that's been doing it for over between 15 and 20 years now, since about 2008, a long time. So if you want to come on over here, save a lot of money, save a lot of time, and create storytelling emails that capture your audience attention and convert into sales, head on over to instantsalesfunnel.com, check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you at my tool soon. And subscribe for future video updates. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.